We are not gonna waste your time talking about reading books every day, exercise 3 days per week, or meditate daily. That advice you all know very well, so we decided to give some unfamiliar habits of the rich and successful people. These 8 minutes are the valuable investment you make today on YouTube. Welcome to Smart Buddies Hub, the page for smart and successful people. Subscribe and join in the hub. And also click the damn notification so you can't miss the upcoming massive contents. So let's get started. Number 1. Open yourself to opportunity. The biggest limiting factor to becoming rich is not being open to the opportunities provided to you. There's a story going around about Bill Gates and an offer he made to a TV interviewer. The journalist asked, "What's the secret of your success?" Instead of answering the question, Bill handed the interviewer a blank check and told her to write whatever the amount she wanted on it. That journalist refused, and then she repeated the check to the bill. "The secret of my success is that I don't miss any opportunities like you just did," he reportedly said. "If you had that philosophy, you could have become the richest journalist in the world today, but you missed it. Opportunity is like an angel. If you welcome her and carry her, she will return, comes to you again and again. But if you ignore her, she will block you to get success. Don't be afraid to fail. Remember, every master once was a beginner. Take action when an opportunity arises." Number 2. Decision making. Decision making is an art. Only a few people can handle it very well. Your life right now is the result of what decision you make in your past. Your future results are based on what decisions you make in the present. Some decisions are minor, like what to eat, which dress to wear, what order to tackle tasks. You are good at this because you are choosing this video to know which habits make rich and successful people, so you can apply them to your own life. Other decisions are more difficult, like deciding to go to a job or starting a business, whether to move to a city for someone you love, or whatever to cut a toxic person out of your life. Warren Buffett's decision-making helps him pick up the right stocks, and that's made him a billionaire. Improve your EQ and IQ so you can make good decisions. Number 3. Take risks. You need to take some risks to become rich. The fact is, the higher the reward, the higher the risk. Don't be afraid to take risks. Everybody has a fear, but how he handles that fear is the difference between winners and losers. Do not allow fear to control you. Take educated risks. Research and make decisions based on solid information and facts, not based on the inner voice and neighbor's advice. Number 4. Never give up attitude. If an ordinary person will fail, he will be back up and return to his normal life and make tons of excuses for why he was failing. And sometimes they lie to themselves. They spoke to their subconscious mind, like it's not for you, it's hard, or you need money. But a smart person fails in his process. He analyzes and researches, why am I failing? How can I improve? And he tries again. Today is hard. Tomorrow will be worse. But the day after tomorrow will be sunshine. Elon Musk's never giving up and his working hard attitude makes him a billionaire. Winners never quit. Quitters never win. Number 5. Play the money game to win, not to lose. If you were to play a game strictly on defense rather than offense, what are the chances of your winning that game? Yes, that's exactly how most people play the money game. Their primary concern is survival and security instead of creating wealth and abundance. Don't be like that. Always play the game to win, not to lose. If you aim at the moon, you'll at least hit the stars. Number 6. How spend time. Instagram, Netflix, and all social media apps are all modern-day tools of distraction. These apps focus on users spend more time on it. The problem is we have limited time. Don't waste it on some bullshit and mindless content. If you think I'm just 15 or 16 so I have lots of time, here's the calculation. The average lifespan of a human is 60 years. If you sleep 8 hours a day, you spend 20 years on it. We depended on our parents in the childhood days, so 10 years were gone. When reaching 50, many people can't move anywhere, so they depended on his or her son. For the rest of 20 years only, we are energetic and we don't have tons of responsibilities, so we take some risks and try many things to become rich and successful. We don't say do not go to a party and have fun in life. Know the difference between enjoying the youth and destroying the future. There's a rule called as 5 hours rule. No matter how you are busy, spend 5 hours a day learning something new. Bill Gates, Mark Zuckerberg, and many billionaires spend some time in their day on learning. Spend some time to grow, or invest your time to build, but don't waste it. Number 7. Stop procrastinating. Procrastination is one of the main barriers blocking you from getting up, making the right decisions, and living the dream life you've thought of. Failure is not the opposite of success. Procrastination is the opposite of success. The reasons why we procrastinating are: Number 1. We don't know how to start, where to start, how this operates. Number 2. The tasks were so much hard. Solution: read articles, books, questioning in Quora about it. Talk to people who have done this and know about which strategies and tools they use. If you are starting a new project or task, it will hard. The first step is always hard. Outsource some boring and hard works. Take your time to learn about it, but don't waste your time. Here are 3 strategies to help you get organized. Keep a to-do list. This will help you to take immediate action. It helps quickly identify the activities that you should focus on well. Always say to your mind, do it now affirmation. This is a self-nagging technique. Repeat the words do it now over and over again until you begin a task or project. Do the hardest tasks at your peak. Are you a night owl or morning bird? Do you work better in the morning or night? Identify when you're most effective and do the tasks that you find most difficult at these times. Last but not least, this one habit definitely make you rich. That's why that we add up on the last for those who are all serious about becoming rich. Number 8. Always focus on making, keeping, and investing your money. You can read thousands of books or courses to become wealthy, but they all teach you about these 3 pieces of advice in their styles. Focusing on making money. A. Work harder than yesterday. B. Learn some high-income skills. Keeping money. Cut credit cards. Credit cards provide the illusion of abundance when in fact each use of plastic money moves you further toward poverty. To avoid this trap, pay for everything in cash. When you hand your cash to someone else, it has a real feel. Your mind will not be lulled into airiness. Credit card usage also has some advantages. Like it improves your credit score in the bank, but you don't know how to use it. It will make you miserable. You can't know what happens next in your life, so don't sell your future and valuable time on products. Investing money. Invest in what you are interested in and what you know about. Don't make an investment you don't know about. Thanks for spending some time with us. If you found this helpful, give a thumbs up, it helps us to grow. And don't forget to subscribe.